In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show discounts on a product page in Shopify for 2020. Understanding this feature is crucial because it not only helps in conveying value to your customers, but also enhances your chances of making a sale by clearly displaying discounted prices. Let's dive right into the steps and get you started on this rewarding journey. First things first, you need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to your Shopify store's homepage, typically found under the My Store tab on the left-hand side. Now that you're on your Shopify store's main page, you're going to want to focus on your collection of products. For today's demonstration, let's deal with a specific product to illustrate the discount feature. Click on your products section to view all of your stock. Once you're there, choose a particular item you're interested in adjusting, like the example shirt 2. Click on it, and this will take you to the product page where all the necessary modifications can be made. You've successfully arrived at the product editing page. From here, you can see various settings related to your product. Locate the price section. This encompasses both the selling price and other essential price points. Click on the price field where you'll enter the current price you are selling this product for. It's imperative that this is the accurate price you want to offer after any discount is applied. Next to the price field, you should find the Compare at Price. This is a significant tool to create a perceived higher value. Click it and enter the original price of the item before discounts. Essentially, this feature provides your customers an insight into how much they are saving, thereby encouraging a purchase as it invokes a sense of a limited-time deal. Moreover, for a complete overview of your pricing structure, click on Cost per Item. While this isn't directly related to the discount display on your public store page, it's a handy feature to maintain an understanding of your profit margins and actual cost metrics. And there you have it. With these changes, your product page will now dynamically display the discount from the original price using the Compare at Price functionality. This allows your customers to see and appreciate the savings directly on the product page, enhancing transparency and trust in your pricing strategies. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage how discounts are showcased on your Shopify product pages, making it clearer for your shoppers to see the value they're getting. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck optimizing those product pages for maximum impact in 2025.